that workforce is aging and that talent is so I need tools that our people can use to help guide their jobs. I don't think AI for us is going to replace all of these people. I think it's going to be a tool in the toolbox that people can use to do that. Again, using that agent then to take that to the next level and really look at our entire process. We have a ton of data. We just don't use it that well. There's just a lot there to process. And so we're hoping this agent can help us make good decisions.
The fact that you have so many different tools, so many different solutions is the problem, because our customers will have to make sense out of all of them. We had a saying, that's called a swivel chair operation. Anytime any person in a manufacturing or an industrial plant has to go across these tools, make sense out of these tools, what AI agents can solve is that swivel chair operation. So that's number one. The second is the ability to connect these things, various different solutions, data parameters, was unsolvable before. It's solvable today. You can teach AI of how to say, learn the connection between this. We call that the context graph, industrial context graph. Industrial context graph is really the foundation for us to build the best industrial AI agents, and the combination of those two is really what we are building. We are actually going to be calling that the industrial AI workforce.
Say first and foremost, understand your why. Why are you on this journey? What are you trying to accomplish with it? Make sure it's tied to your business results. Just like I said, just kind of, I'm a shop floor guy, so I just kind of like to keep it real and celebrate the wins. We've had a lot of wins in our machine health world, and we get people, they're skeptics at first, really believing in it when they have some wins. If it helps them do their job better, we definitely get buy-in. So that, and for us, again, find a partner that can help with this. We aren't AI or any of this experts, so we find a partner to help us with the journey.
Every time you think of an agent, start with the human, start with the person. Exactly to the point. It's not here to replace anyone. It's here to augment them. But you need to understand them very well. So agent for us, as we're trying to do in Augury, is all very persona driven. For example, we're working with Jason to understand how does his reliability engineer team work? How does his process engineer work? How does his operator work? Each one of them have a swivel chair movement, like I explained before, in their life. Understand what the swivel chair movements looks like. Understand what that 8 a.m. in the morning looks like, 1 p.m. in the afternoon looks like, and 5 p.m. before they go in the evening looks like. Optimize for those workflows. The agent is focused exactly to do what a human can do and augment them. Our goal as part of this industrial AI workforce is to bring 30% productivity. That's our goal, 30% productivity to every persona in industrial operations. And if we believe that if we can bring 30% productivity improvement, it's a compounded effect of how things operate. The business results are going to be 30% better overall. Whether it's yield, whether it's OEE, it's continuous production, or whether it's product quality is going to be 30% better. So that's how we look at what agents are to do. Start with people, understand them, help them, augment them. We call it the capacity dividend.